Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 2 of saving my Meyer Lemon tree. I bought this on Amazon specifically for citrus, and what I want to do is I want to do a foliar application because my tree looks like it's deficient in a lot of stuff and I don't know what. And I'm thinking this should, take care of it all, hopefully pretty fast since I'm going to apply it foliar. Here's some of the nutritional information on it right there. It says to apply 1 tablespoon per gallon of water if you're going to do it every 7 to 14 days, or you could use it every time you water. If you want to apply it, on the soil, you could use, it says here, I think 1/4 teaspoon per gallon for every time you water. But I'm going to apply it on the leaves, so I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. So it comes with this nice little measuring cup. All the way up is a tablespoon. I don't know if you could see it there. And then up to here is a teaspoon, and then 1/2 teaspoon, and then 1/4. And they make it pretty convenient. Got this little instruction here as well. Just gives you all the products that they have, and this is the one I got right there, citrus. Tells you what it's for, and I like that they mention specifically Meyer Lemon right there, because I heard Meyer Lemons are pretty heavy feeders. I also have kumquats and blood orange that I want to spray this on. They're not doing too good. Here's the actual package that it comes with. So I'm gonna put that into my sprayer, and I'm gonna use filtered water just in case. So it's not, doesn't have chlorine and stuff. So I'm gonna use filtered water, and I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so I filled it up with filtered water. As you can see, you got liters on this side, ounces on this side. So I just did a gallon for easy measuring. So it's 130 ounces. A gallon is 128, so that's close enough. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, same thing, close enough. If anything, I'd rather be less than more, just for safety. Put that in there. Mix it up. And you want to spray this at night when the sun has gone down. You always want to apply foliar at night. This way it doesn't burn, with the sun. Okay, now we're going to go out and spray it. Okay guys, here we are at the tree. As you could see, it's got some sunburn here. Some other leaves are kind of looking chlorotic. Some are yellow. So I'm just going to spray this, and hopefully that'll help it out. What you want to do is you want to spray the top, but more importantly the bottom is what I heard is where they actually absorb the nutrients from. So this thing is, as you can see, makes it really easy. Nice consistent pattern of spray. Probably should wear eye protection just in case. Yeah, get it nice and wet all over. This thing is nice. I like this thing. Makes it so much easier. I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna apply the rest of it on my other trees, kumquats and stuff. So this is part 2, trying to save my Meyer Lemon. What I'll do next time is I'll probably do a soil application with maybe that 1 teaspoon per gallon. And every time I water it, I'll just do 1 teaspoon per gallon of water until this thing recovers. Hopefully with the shade cloth and this have a foliar spray, should give it a fighting chance. Okay, we'll see you next time.